Navigating the supermarket for healthy options can feel like a maze, right? But what if a few simple swaps could make a huge difference to your energy and well-being? Let's explore some easy wins. First up, breakfast cereals. Many are packed with hidden sugars. Swap that sugary cereal for whole grain oats or a low-sugar muesli. Oats provide sustained energy and fiber, keeping you fuller for longer and setting a positive tone for your day. Next, let's talk snacks. Instead of reaching for those salty chips, try swapping them for a handful of unsalted nuts or seeds. They're full of healthy fats, protein, and fiber, a much smarter way to curb those cravings and boost your brain power. And those sugary drinks, my dears. They offer nothing but empty calories. A simple swap, infused water with lemon or berries, or even a calming herbal tea. Your body will thank you for the hydration without the sugar rush. Consider your cooking oils. Instead of refined vegetable oils for everyday cooking, opt for extra virgin olive oil or avocado oil. These are richer in monounsaturated fats, beneficial for heart health, and can add wonderful flavor to your meals. See? Small changes, big impact. Choosing healthier options doesn't have to be complicated. It's about making informed decisions one swap at a time. This isn't just about food. It's about nourishing your body to support your mental clarity and reduce stress. Ready to upgrade your trolley? Try one of these swaps on your next grocery run. Which swap will you make first? Let us know in the comments. #SmartSwaps, #HealthyEating, #OSPulse.